Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. Got a request to make a sign. They want a love sign.
Yeah, baby!
So I drew it up, and then I made the toolpaths, and I'm not going to bore you with that, but what I will do, I'll run the toolpath. Really simple project. Here is our project material, 220 thousandths thick, which now is a 1/4 inch. We're going to get that stuck down in the mill and start carving. Now if I've done my job right, it should cut down to the blue tape and stop. Looking pretty good. Red was requested. Okay, it's going to be red. This project is done.